from Cleveland's most accurate weather team. This is 19 First Alert Plus, sponsored by the man that makes them pay, Tim Misney.
Hello there, and welcome to your First Alert forecast here. Jeff Slauson and Jason Nicholas showing you what it looks like downtown today and what was a very, very warm day. And Jason, you just called a First Alert weather day for tomorrow, so let's get right into that, man.
Yeah, we did. We do have an alert in effect for tomorrow. Let's get it back. There it is. All right, let's take a look. Wednesday's the 19th First Alert weather day. And Jeff, by the way, as you mentioned, didn't want to gloss over it. Yeah, today was a hot day, 91 degrees. The hottest day so far of the year today. Wednesday's an alert day. More heat and humidity, though, I think will be a little bit under where we were tomorrow. Upper 80s to near 90. Heat indexes could still be in the low to mid 80s, but we will have those scattered storms coming in. The storm timing appears to be after 2 p.m. I want to really point out that we are not expecting a huge, widespread, significant, severe weather event tomorrow. Just potential there for a couple of storms that may pack a punch, combined with the high heat and humidity. Kind of both of those together are why we have a 19 First Alert weather day. We had an alert day today because of how hot it was, and we had a lot of schools, not a lot, but a few schools that were closed due to high heat and humidity and really the lack of air conditioning in some of the older buildings. All right, live weather right now. Look where we are at 9:30 right now, Jeff. 83 degrees still in Cleveland, so very warm today. Upper 70s, low 80s, and what you'll notice when you have a weather system kind of overhead like this, something we call the urban heat island effect. It'll stay quite warm in the city because of all the pavement, all the concrete, the roadways. That kind of tends to trap the heat versus out in the country, the heat goes back out into the atmosphere a little bit easier. Now, tomorrow, there's the rain and thunder coming in, but eventually we will track cooler air. Let's take a look at future view here. Heading through the overnight, pretty quiet. 9 a.m., 80 already, 84 at 10. 87 at 11. We're near 90 at 1 p.m., but notice that's when storms start to fire. There's a clump there, Medina, Worcester, Canton, clump there, Cleveland, Akron, Canton, and then up towards the north and east. So we have one area coming through, and the next one looks like it might fizzle a little bit, although there it goes again, overnight Wednesday into the day on Thursday. Thursday, cooler, upper 70s to near 80 with a few lingering showers. But we are really going to be turning the page into some cooler air. We'll talk about the fall feel in the 7-day coming up here in 15 seconds.
I've represented families just like yours for over 4 decades. Listen, if you need me, call me. You know I'll be there for you, and I'll make them pay. In the meantime, I'll keep an eye out for you.
All right, near 90 tomorrow, and it is a First Alert weather day. 89 is my forecast high. It all depends if we get that cloud cover and those storms coming in by 1, 2 o'clock. If that happens, it'll be hard for us to get to 90. But if we delay those storms until 4 or 5, I think 90, 91 is another good bet tomorrow. So kind of split the difference, 89. Most of our forecast modeling is going 87, so I went a little bit above guidance. Upper 70s on Thursday, few storms. Cooler Friday, a few showers around. Near 70 on Saturday, a few showers around. I've had to keep the rain threat in Friday and Saturday, and then we start to warm things up a little bit as we head into next week, but this is still a relatively fall-like weather pattern once we hit late Thursday into Friday.
All right, Jason, anything else before I let you go, sir?
No, tomorrow's the alert day. Again, we're expecting some stronger storms potentially in the afternoon. Going to be isolated stuff. We're not talking about a huge widespread outbreak, a big event or anything like that, but a few storms around as well as the heat and humidity. That's why we have the alert in effect.
All right, Jason Nicholas, thank you so much. We'll see you 19 News, 10 and 11.
Thank you, sir.
And that is it for your Facebook forecast. As I said, 19 News, 10 o'clock, CW, 11 o'clock, CBS.
19 News, now streaming on Samsung Smart TV.